Hello, I'm Jack Sleazeball Ketchum, and this is Buses and Trains. A ghost's remaining, and I'm still training. I wish she and me were on the road to Canaan. It's in California, but let me warn ya, I preferred the days when she and me were on a train or on a bus. That's the place that's best for us. The 16 or the underground. A new location soon was found. It's juvenile and it's really very infantile. Can't we go back to how things were? Back when she and me were young lovebirds, because on the buses and the train is the place we'll meet again. The 16 or the underground. A new location will be found. On the buses and the train is the place we'll meet again. The 16 on the underground. A new location will be found. And don't you know, we found a new location. I saw her just the other day standing at the station whilst travelling to Burnt Oak. Now we live like happy folks because we're together once again on the buses and the train, full of happiness and joy, 'cause she's my girl and I'm her boy.